What is the main function of the circulatory system? All of the above. Which of the following is not a component of circulatory system? Liver. Which chamber of the heart pumps oxygenated blood to the body? Left ventricle. Blood is pumped out of the heart to the rest of the body through which blood vessels? Arteries. Which blood vessels carry blood back to the heart? Veins. Which of the following is responsible for the transport of oxygen in the blood? Hemoglobin. What is the name of large artery that carries oxygenated blood away from the heart? Aorta. Which of the following is not a type of blood vessels? Alveoli. Blood is pumped into the pulmonary circulation to exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide in the lungs. What is the approximate number of chambers in the human heart? 4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video informative and engaging. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring. Take care and see you in the next video.